Good evening, everyone. It's just a continuation of the other one. Battery died, but yeah, look how it's looking pretty sharp tonight. So you're gonna see it. Like I said in the other video, if I'm not gonna put it up, whatever. We're tilting downwards this way, and we're gonna do it again. That's why the moon is way over there, because we're tilting downwards, and we're gonna do it twice in the same direction, which means we might, be in for more, high temperatures, breaking records again all over the country. But to add to that, see, look how there's like a slight, look at that. And you can, figure out that the sun is wobbling in its rotation, so it goes like this, it wobbles. Well, Earth does too. Earth wobbles in its rotation too. So when that wobble comes and they are like in a certain position, the sun wobbles towards us and we wobble towards the sun. So we'll be dipped down. So the rays of the sun will be probably mostly directed in the northern hemisphere between the Atlantic and the west coast. I guess the rest of the places will be cloudy. So yeah, see how the wind's picking up? So, that's just the gist of it, for this next heat wave and possible torrential weather. Well, they already had some, in Europe. But, we gotta do a lot of, thanking, to a lot of, people and nations out there that, especially for Iran, women into the soccer matches and everything, and their team is doing well. Congratulations to them for both of those. Letting the Saudi women drive now, that is a major step forward for that kingdom. Man, major step. So we're looking at great things that are happening. And look at, oh, here comes the moon popping up. And Meghan Markle taking on, royal duties now. She's moving at, a breakneck speed. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? It's 12. So you can almost see the two dots above it. Brr, what does that look like to you? So anyways, all the hate and naysayers that are, trying to put a false light on what's going on, over in the UK, ain't happening. Ain't happening. Their destiny has already been written, so, and basically it's going according to plan. I mean, I was even surprised William went to the Mideast. See what he goes there and does, but, I was even surprised at that, Beautiful Kate Middleton, she's expanding the royal family, just absolutely bearing beautiful children. Absolutely. She's a wonderful person. Look at that. Look how that looks, bro. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. Look how that looks. I know the telephone pole is in the way. Look how that looks, man. Told you. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that just awesome? You see, you can't get that. I know the screen is all messed up, but yeah, the royals and in Denmark, I think, the Japanese are recovering very nicely from their small touches of calamity. I think the one only killed 4 people. here's it here, and so just like Chicago, Japan is, they're getting hit. Everybody's gonna get hit, but the severity of, you know, God's wrath will be determined, and in some places being determined, you know. But yep. So that's all good. Everything's going good. Loving the air, loving the Lord. Man, isn't that beautiful? See how that works, people? Isn't that just beautiful how that works? You get the bottom of it, then the moon's going to get covered up in a few, because they're going to, right? You can actually see the arc of the one, from right there to there. You can actually see the arc right there. But yeah, it's beautiful. See how the wind just died? It'll pick up again when they swing this way. But it's beautiful. Love y'all. There's a lot of great things happening all around. Congratulations again to Iran. Saudi, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Israel. Congratulations to all of them for loving the Lord.